In this video, I'm really excited to tell you about one of our success stories from our firm. Our team ended up helping a young man recently who was charged with a number of offenses. I've blacked out his name for confidentiality reasons, obviously, but he was charged, if you can see here, with false identification to obtain alcohol, minor in possession of alcohol, driving under the influence of alcohol, as well as a reckless driving and a taillight violation. You know, all pretty serious offenses for somebody who is under 21. He was a Kennesaw State college student, so this had a lot of potential impact for him down the road in his future. And our team was able to negotiate a great resolution for him in this case. We ended up, if you can see here from the court paperwork, it says that counts 1, 2, 3, and 5 were null prost. What that means is that they were dismissed. So the false identification was dismissed, the minor in possession was dismissed, the DUI was dismissed, and the taillight violation was dismissed. And he pled guilty to he pled nolo contendere just to the one count of reckless driving. And we also did this in a way that his court records are actually sealed. And once he completes what he has to do for his sentence here, that the records are going to be fully sealed and it's not going to be able to be accessed by most people, like employers and things like that, which is one of the things that's really important to a lot of our clients. I get excited when our team makes a huge impact in people's lives, which they do a lot, and I just wanted to share this with you in case you're somebody who is in this situation. You're thinking, what can be done? There's no hope, there's nothing that can be done. And we get questions all the time where people contact us and say, hey, well, what's the difference of going with one law firm versus another law firm? And the difference is what the law firm's willing to do for you, the strategy that they put in place to help you be successful, the legal challenges that they can raise in your case and get you a better resolution for your case overall. Now, every case is different. It's not going to say that every DUI that we get is going to be a DUI that gets reduced to a non-DUI offense or is going to be something that's eligible to be sealed. But for this particular young man who is a Kennesaw State student who was charged with an under 21 DUI at almost 3 times the legal limit, in Cobb County State Court, getting this case reduced from a DUI and into a place where it is now sealed and isn't publicly available is going to have huge impacts for him. If you're dealing with a situation like this, please feel free to contact our office for a complimentary defense strategy meeting. I'm Paul Ghanouni, the founder and managing attorney at the Teen and Young Adult Defense Firm. We're here to help young people who get in trouble with the law protect their futures and make sure that they don't have these long-lasting ramifications that can come from these things. I hope that if you're in a situation like this, you have a similar success story, whether you work with us or somebody else, and that you were able to move forward in your life in a positive way, in a way that doesn't hold you back and lets you be the best person that you can be.